തേടുന്നതാരേ ശൂന്യതയിൽ ഈറൻമിഴികളെ നിങ്ങൾ തേടുന്നതാരേ 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 ശൂന്യതയിൽ ഈറൻമിഴികളെ നിങ്ങൾ തേടുന്നതാരേ തേടുന്നതാരേ. Welcome back to Music Metrics. Today we are going to see a very important aspect in music, that is modulation. Modulation is basically shifting your voice's amplitude up and down wherever required as per the song. I'll demonstrate it. I'll sing that without any modulation at first, so you can understand the difference between the two. തേടുന്നതാരേ ശൂന്യതയിൽ ഈറൻമിഴികളെ നിങ്ങൾ തേടുന്നതാരേ തേടുന്നതാരേ. Now with modulation. തേടുന്നതാരേ ശൂന്യതയിൽ ഈറൻമിഴികളെ നിങ്ങൾ തേടുന്നതാരേ. So according to the demand of the song, you need to understand how to modulate your voice. Just like there is a drama going on in the lyrics as well as in the tune, there has to be a proper drama going on in your modulation as well. You are telling a story, or you are conveying something, so you need to understand what you are conveying, and you need to differentiate where you have to use a higher amplitude of your voice and where you have to reduce the amplitude a bit. For that you need a lot of listening and also guidance from experienced personalities in music. Another perception is that Carnatic music doesn't require any modulation. This is a very, very wrong perspective. I'll demonstrate that also a bit. First is the portion without modulation, then I'll sing the same line with modulation. You can understand the difference yourself. കുജവൈരീണം മണിമകുടഹാരകേയൂര. Now with modulation. കുജവൈരീണം മണിമകുടഹാരകേയൂര. See the difference in that just one word, hara. Mani-makuta-hara. Imagine working on this aspect for the whole Kriti and presenting it before a crowd. It makes a huge difference. So please look into this aspect, take line by line and work on this. You can see the difference for yourself. Stay tuned for more. Take care. Goodbye.